I could do that for like an hour. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do Ozawa's. How's my hair? Ozawa's makeup. His is probably the most intricate I've done, in that I have to magically grow facial hair, which I am not dispositioned to do. Ultimately, what I want to do is get one of those facial or make, either get or make one of those facial hair wig thingies that like stick on your face. But today we're gonna do it with makeup, and I do not start this one off with the blank canvas mattifying primer stuff because I want to lean in to these bags. I want to make sure they are loud and proud. I made them myself. So I'm going to start with eyebrows like what I do with everything else. And it's still in my X Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara, and I'm saying this in that you've watched the other two makeup tutorials where I use all the same products. You should have. I mean, you got this far. You see it? Okay. And it is in black. Though it looks much more brown in the bottle, it does come out really dark. So it's gonna look really weird until I put the wig on. Alright, you just gotta bear with me. Where's my eyebrow at? Lord. And if you have non-existent color in your eyebrows, you have to put quite a bit in there. And then clean up the bullshit. Look at that. What? Me. I don't know why I keep looking into the viewfinder like it's a mirror. I mean, I guess in a way you could consider it a mirror, but I can't see what I'm doing. Also, you know, make sure they're even. Oh, my camera's like, what the fuck am I looking at? Little Groucho marks. But that's fine, because we'll clean it up. And we're going to use this spoolie brush. It's also MIX. Got it at Ulta. I think I got this at Target. No, I may have stopped at Ulta. I don't remember. Where are they selling MIX stuff? And this, I just use it to comb it through and make sure like there's an even coating on everything. Did I go too hard? Nah, it's alright. Definitely have to clean my brush after this. So look. Guys, I don't know about you. I think I look pretty damn good. Makeup wipes. Because it's gotta be perfect. I don't know why I'm being so loud today. I'm sorry. I won't stop. But, you know. cool. And I'm just going around the edges where I just threw this brow tint on my face. Threw it at my eyebrows. Alright. Look, they look so natural. So, next is, well, nah. I don't need to use it for him. Never mind. Don't worry about it. Next is eyeliner. To make it look like I have an eyeline. Yeah, and I'm using Fenty Beauty's eyeliner, fly liner, and it's in 'Cause I'm Black color. Let's do it. And I'm gonna go, and that's why I like this one. I don't know why I keep going to the viewfinder. I'm not here. It's really fine tipped, so I can go in real close to my waterline, make it look like I have an eyeline, kind of, sort of. Maybe. Or not. It's fine. It's too high up. There. And that's fine. There. Still one too big. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I don't know how you put eyeliner on. This is just how I put it on. There's probably a much more effective way, but this works for me. Get in the corners. Oh, it's so riveting. Okay. There. Better. So that weird smudge right there. Makeup wipe. Just need like a baby bit. My face burned. Thought you guys needed to know that. Cool. So, next, mascara. Because everything has to match, and it is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the regular type. That'll be important in a minute. Okay? Okay. My ears don't really stick out like that far. I don't like wig caps, they're awful. And then just a light, like 1-2 coats of mascara. Just make sure you cover every lash. And make it look as natural as possible. I don't know why I went bottom first here. And if it looks like I'm doing more coats, and you probably couldn't see anything I was doing, I'm trying to get like into the corners. And those little tiny baby lashes. And really close to the waterline. So. Alright. Fun part. The beard. And the facial hair. Yeah. Beard doesn't touch. I could pull up a reference picture, but why would I do that? Why would I be prepared? Nonsense. Alright, so what I'm using for the facial hair is Too Faced Better Than Sex in the travel size. Waterproof. See? Yeah, cool. Great. I actually like it a lot. It's really nice. Boop. So, I'm gonna start with the mustache. It's kind of scratchy. And I like the little brush. Just, I find it's easier to get in there for this. And I got the travel size because I bought the big one. You can, like, off their website, if you get it, you get, like, a free little sample size or something. So that's how I got the travel size. Go to, like, right at the edges. Don't worry, guys, I'll clean it up. It does go on the lip just a little bit. Look like I should be in a buddy cop movie. Fix that. Oh yeah. I grew this out so quick, you guys. I'm proud of me. And then the beard, and he has like that little kind of triangle bit right there. I mean, right now he's a little patchy, but it's okay. No, I look like a pirate. And just fill in the chin. Maybe. I may have used it all the last time I did this. And all the way up. All the way up. You remember when the Backstreet Boys were really big? In the early 2000s? I look like, what's his name? AJ? Or is that NSYNC I'm thinking about? I always mixed them up. Like, I know all their songs. I know they're two separate entities. But, I want to say he was AJ. AJ was like Backstreet Boys' like Timberlake. Or something like that. But again, fucking correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I don't remember. That was 19 years ago. So good, so manly. I'm just trying to like not make it look as mascara-y. Great sound, isn't it? Good. Should fucking be Mita at this rate. Fucking pervert grapehead. Oh. It's really scratchy. Look at those cheekbones. Those cheekbones, though. I've had too much coffee today, you guys. What? There's no such thing. There is. It results in this weird assness. I am 12. but why does this look better for you guys than when I did it at New York Comic Con? Guys, like, it's so much better. All the way up. How can I have a voicemail if nobody called me? I don't understand. Now I'm just gonna kind of fill in the little patchier places. This side looks so good, you guys. Like, it looks so good. Holy shit. I'm really impressed with myself. It's a little uneven, but so you go back in and fill in. All right. Now, clean it up a little bit. Don't have to do too much. Yeah. And just kind of like smudge out those chunky bits. Oh yeah, that's some good-ish. Alright. Now I'll put the wig on so it looks a little less weird. Yep, that looks better. A little less weird. I dig it. Yeah. I don't normally have the wrap like this, but it's just more convenient this way. So you can see the detail. Don't look too bad. I look like a 31-year-old teacher, high school teacher who doesn't sleep and is tired of everybody's shit. I think so. Alright. Just want to leave you with one last thing. You're welcome. Hope you have a great day. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.